build long rows of straws, just like bridges. And to carry these bridges, we also built props. And after that, the setup of our nearly finished bridges was again done in teamwork. So the last step was designing a final model. And for this, we arranged our models in comparison. On the left side, you can see the longest bridge. This is a line of macaroni, and it's based on the strong bark of the red currant. And the bridge on the right is also very long, and it's made of macaroni and straws. We also had other examples. They are not that long, but much more stable. So it's obvious that this one challenge led us as a group to many different but all successful results, and they are all biomimetical inspired. Thank you.
This project has shown the importance of thinking outside the box. When challenged with spanning the largest distance, we all only thought of a bridge. However, it would be easier to build a tower, because the materials suited this better.
For our last project, we had to go to the forest. Why we did this, we are about to find out.
Our fourth and last project is also bottom-up design. First, we had to search for natural structures on the internet. There we found many interesting constructions like this honeycomb. There we went to the woodland in the afternoon and had to design shelter using the natural structures we found out in the morning. We were just allowed to use natural material. After that, we built a shelter, and now we are going to present that to you.
Coburn was inspired by a web of a spider to use it as a roof because it's very stable and the home of the spider. So the members of the group searched thin branches and stick them together to the web. Then they searched bigger branches who split at the end into two stems. The bigger branch had the form of an Y. These branches were the base of the spider web roof. But then there had been the problem how to make the roof waterproof. So they used the roof only as a work frame, and twigs and leaves came on it.
Yeah, the second group was inspired by the human ribs to build a frame for the whole construction. For the frame they needed many big and long branches, but the problem was to find branches in the woodland. And we were only allowed to use materials from nature. To make the construction stable and water resistant, they collected many little twigs and stuck them together. The inspiration for this they get from the bird's nest.
The third group was inspired by the nanostructure of diamonds. The covered atoms are arranged in tetrahedral arrangement, which is very stable and strong. In addition, they were inspired by feathers because they're very insulating as well as waterproof. To build the shelter, they collected many branches and built a triangular base area around a tree. Each side of the tetrahedron was split into many triangles. This is the structure which is very stable. To make the shelter waterproof, they planned to imitate the bird's feathers by covering the shelter with leaves. Thank you.
All in all, we've learned a lot about biomimetics and how it works.
Everybody had lots of fun working together, particularly dropping eggs from buildings.
Now the great group, the fantastic group of Uni Academy 2012 Ostbevern Schloss Lohburg want to thank you for listening to Biomimetic.